We got another Team Rocket. I mean, Destined Rivals. Let's open it up. Oh my. Second pack. And you open it. I open it from the bottom, not the top. Oh, come on. Alright. What do we got? We got the Ho-Oh. Oh. Please, something. Every card is gonna be Team Rocket. Watch. Okay, basic energy. A Mankey. Team Rocket's Marie. Team Rocket's Tarantula or something? I don't know. Team Rocket's Rattata. Marnie's Scrafty. Team Rocket's Great Ball. Team Rocket's Orbeetle. Team Rocket's Toadstool. Clamperl. Hollow Hydrapple. Nothing yet, but